Hello everyone, let us solve this p by q. How many possible values of p plus q plus r are there satisfying 1 by p plus 1 by q plus 1 by r equals to 1, where p, q and r are natural numbers not necessarily distinct? So this is a tough question. We will solve it using percentages. First we'll note down a few fractions and their percentages. So 1 can be written as 100%, 1 by 2 is equal to 50%, 1 by 3 is equal to 33.33%, 1 by 4 is equal to 25%, 1 by 5 is equal to 20%, and 1 by 6 is equal to 16.67%. Now it is given that 1 by p plus 1 by q plus 1 by r is equal to 1 or 100%. So we have to express 100% as the sum of three percentages, but we have to ensure that the numerator is 1. So we will use these percentages. Now we'll also take p is less than or equal to q is less than or equal to r, or 1 by p is greater than or equal to 1 by q is greater than or equal to 1 by r. We're taking this condition because we don't want to randomly assume any values or double count any combination. So 1 by p is greater than or equal to 1 by q is greater than or equal to 1 by r means this percentage is greater than this percentage and it is greater than this percentage. Also, p cannot be 4 or greater than 4. Why? Because if p is 4, 1 by p will be 1 by 4. So it will be equal to 25%. So 1 by q and 1 by r can assume the maximum value of 25%. So if 1 by q and 1 by r are also 25%, then 25% plus 25% plus 25% is equal to 75%. So we need 100%, but here we are getting 75%. Any value of p greater than or equal to 4 will give us a value that is less than 100%. Hence, p can be always less than 4. So p can be 2 or p can be 3. So let us take p equals to 2. When p is equal to 2, 1 by p will be 1 by 2. So it will be equal to 50%. So 50% plus something makes up 100%. So we can have 25% plus 25%. So this means that 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, and it is equal to 1. So this is a valid combination. We can also have 50% plus 33.33% plus 16.67%. All of these percentages have fractions that have numerator 1. So these also add up to make 100%. So 50% is 1 by 2, 33.33% is 1 by 3, and 16.67% is 1 by 6. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 is equal to 1. So this is also a valid combination. We can't have any other values. You can check them later. Now when p is equal to 3. So when p is equal to 3, 1 by p will be equal to 33.33%. So 1 by p is 33.33% plus something makes up 100%. Now the maximum value 1 by q can assume is 33%, since 1 by p is greater than or equal to 1 by q is greater than or equal to 1 by r. So the maximum value it can assume is 33.33%. And then 1 by r will also be equal to 33.33%. There cannot be any other values. Otherwise, we won't achieve 100% as the goal. So 33.33% is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, and it is equal to 1. So it is also a valid combination. So in the first case, p plus q plus r is equal to 2 plus 4 plus 4. So it is equal to 10. In the second case, p plus q plus r is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 6. So it is equal to 11. In the third case, p plus q plus r is equal to 3 plus 3 plus 3. So it is equal to 9. Hence, we have three different values for p plus q plus r. There are no other combinations. Hence, the correct answer is option C, 3.